troopers' accurate landing into the water. And as you can see, the team has successfully been dropped, and this team will later on undertake frogman operation against the floating picket, simulating as a mothership to terrorist skiffs.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you see towards your left, you can see Pakistan Navy seeking helicopter from Pakistan Naval Aviation 111 Squadron approaching the venue for helicasting serial. This squadron is being commanded by Captain Asif Mughal.
Ladies and gentlemen, here I may apprise the audience that a 6-man SEAL team will be casted from a height of 10 to 15 feet directly into the sea from this helicopter. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the helicopter has reached its assigned station and has started dropping the SEALs in water. Ladies and gentlemen, all SEALs have been dropped in water, whereas one of the frogmen from the SEAL team has gotten injured by hostile forces during the helicasting serial. He is currently stranded at sea, and this individual will be picked up later by search and rescue helicopter utilizing wet winching technique.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the helicopter casting team along with static line parajump team on board Zulu boats are being led by Lieutenant Tayyab and are currently approaching the beach to establish the beachhead. This special service group frogman team comprises of 12 special operators who are well trained to carry out clandestine operations in a befitting manner.
Ladies and gentlemen, these special operators are equipped with body armor, close quarter combat weapons, and medical kits that aid them in carrying out such dangerous operations. Ladies and gentlemen, the frogman team has now reached their designated position and has successfully established a beachhead on this beach. Ladies and gentlemen, this team has taken position to pose resistance against adversity and provide a safe landing zone to subsequent arrival of air assault team. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look towards your left, a sniper team consisting of a sniper and spotter are taking position at a suitable vantage point in order to facilitate assault teams through visual as well as aerial recce, utilizing a quadcopter as the assault team makes their approach towards terrorist stronghold.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the left of the venue, now you can see two Sea King helicopters commanded by Commander Umar and Lieutenant Commander Hassan making their approach to the drop zone for repelling of salt teams. They will rappel down two teams of 6 men each.
ये ज़मीन पर्वत दश्तो दरियाओ धरती हर धड़कन अपनी है इस मिट्टी से बांधी हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान है हम जैसे हो हालात शादमान.
Ladies and gentlemen, the helicopters have taken station and are ready to insert counter-terrorist teams utilizing Frights method. This means that two special service group counter-terrorist teams being led by Lieutenant Umar will now utilize fast roping techniques to insert into the battlefield and commence clearance operation.
जैसे हो हालात शादमान है हम बड़ी कठिन राहें देखी है हमने सुतम के कितने सनम तोड़े हैं हमने ना सर झुके ना हम रुके ना हम गिरे ना हम मुड़े वो डरते हैं क्योंकि हम हैं उनके सामने कामरान है हम जैसे वो हालात शादमान है हम हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान है हम जैसे वो हालात शादमान है हम जान से प्यारी है हमको अर्ज़े पाक जान से प्यारी है हमको इसकी खाक आओ सारे जग में हम दिखाएं इसकी धाक.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the Special Service Group Navy counter-terrorist teams will swiftly make their way towards the compound. As the teams are in position, we will witness a coordinated assault and clearance operation inside the compound. This Special Service Group counter-terrorist team belongs to 14th Anti-Terrorist Battalion that is being commanded by Captain Abrar Yunus Tamga Imtiaz Military, and their motto is, and Allah will punish them by your hands.
बड़ी कठिन राहें देखी है हमने सुतम के कितने सनम तोड़े हैं हमने ना सर झुके.
Ladies and gentlemen, teams have struck up in two separate groups known as alphas. Here teams will carry out breaching and room entry procedures, neutralizing all terrorists along with safely retrieving hostages from the terrorists' hold.
उनके सामने हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान है हम जैसे वो हालात.
Ladies and gentlemen, teams have struck up outside the respective building entry points and will then carry out breaching of the compound after planting breaching charges.
हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान है हम जैसे वो हालात.
Ladies and gentlemen, the teams are now demonstrating explosive breaching by planting breaching charges. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to cut off admin, logistics and backup support for the terrorists, the frogmen team that was para-dropped at sea earlier will now undertake clandestine frogman operation against a floating picket that was simulating as the mothership to terrorist skiffs.
आने वाले दौर को बनाए तापनाक अपनी मुल्क को कौम के निगहबान हैं हम पाकिस्तानी फौज
Ladies and gentlemen, teams have made entry after breaching the compound and are eliminating terrorists in a swift and tactical manner called close quarter combat while safeguarding the hostages. After all rooms are cleared and terrorists have been neutralized, these alphas will carry out tactical sweep of the compound to ascertain all threats have been neutralized.
निगहबान हैं हम पाकिस्तानी फौज के जवान हैं हम अपने मुल्क को कौम के निगहबान हैं हम पाकिस्तानी फौज के जवान हैं हम हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान हैं हम जैसे वो हालात शादमान हैं हम हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान हैं हम जैसे वो हालात शादमान हैं हम हर घड़ी तैयार कामरान हैं हम जैसे वो हालात अल्लाह की रहमत का साया तौहीद
Ladies and gentlemen, as it was earlier mentioned that a frogman who got engaged by enemy and was injured during the helicopter casting serial, now we will witness a demonstration of wet winching to recover the same frogman through the helicopter.
Ladies and gentlemen, this helicopter is capable of catering diverse mission requirements including anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, reconnaissance, search and rescue, along with medevac and casualty evacuation missions. Here you will witness a demonstration of wet winching in which this helicopter has approached the simulated injured special operator who has indicated his position by smoke marker. The helicopter is hovering right on top of the injured person before lowering his winch, which will subsequently be attached to the person for recovery and will be taken to nearest medical facility.
वाला तू इस्लाम का है मतवाला तू ईमान है तेरा सरमाया है मर्द मुजाहिद जाग जरा
Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you are three Pakistan Marines hovercrafts. These are amphibious crafts capable to operate swiftly on water and as well as on land. Ladies and gentlemen, these hovercrafts are vastly being operated in creek areas by Pak Marines for the purpose of search and rescue, carrying troops to and from the areas that are environmentally challenged and unreachable by other water or land crafts. These crafts can do speeds of up to 40 knots and can detect objects using state-of-the-art phonoradar up to 25 nautical mile. These crafts can carry up to 60 troops at a time and are equipped with 7.62 mm machine guns and 12.7 mm anti-air gun. These state-of-the-art hovercrafts are being maneuvered by Lieutenant Ahmad Sajjad, Lieutenant Usama Hussain, Lieutenant Commander Khurram, and Captain Ali Hassan Tamghai Bisalat. This complete exfiltration operation through hovercrafts is being led by Captain Ali Hassan Tamghai Bisalat. Ladies and gentlemen, these state-of-the-art hovercrafts are part of 301 Creeks Brigade, which is being commanded by Commodore Imran Khalid Shafi.
हाथ में अब तलवार उठा रख सर पे कफन मैदान में आ तकदीर तेरी तकदीर तेरी तकदीर तेरी तकदीर तेरी सब दुनिया है जागीर तेरी तारीफ
Ladies and gentlemen, the assault teams are now moving towards the hovercraft for exfiltration.
है है मर्द मुजाहिद जा जरा अब वक्त शहादत है आया
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the assault teams are currently boarding the hovercraft to be retrieved from the target area in a professional and swift manner.
तुम्हारा है सर फुकुर में देखो भारा है इस्लाम को फिर ललकारा है तकदीर में ये दिन दिखलाया है मर्द मुजाहिद जा जरा अब वक्त शहादत है आया अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर जान जाती है बेशक जाए पर चमना तेरा झुकने पाए गाजी को मौत से क्या डर है गाजी को मौत से क्या डर है जा दे न जहा दे